The Lexington coffee shop that defied the governor's orders to stop indoor dining went to court today, and health inspectors who ordered the business to shut down took the witness stand. LEX 18's Carolina Buchek has the story.
When I entered the facility, I saw that there were people to my left.
Health inspectors testified in a virtual court hearing today about what they saw last week when they walked into Brewed, a coffee shop in Lexington.
They weren't allowed to be doing any in-person dining.
But according to the inspector, it was happening, and the owner said he wouldn't stop.
We let them know that at this point their permit would be suspended.
And that's when the health department employees say the situation got tense.
I turned around, put my paperwork in my truck, and I turned around and I had about, I'd say 15 to 20 people standing in front of me with Mr. COOPERRIDER. I'd say fairly upset. He's cursing at me a little bit and getting very close.
Last week, Andrew COOPERRIDER, the coffee shop's owner, told LEX 18 he followed the inspectors outside because he was trying to get an answer from them.
Well, the number one reason why is I was in here with legal counsel. When they handed me the paper, the legal counsel turned to me and said, "You need to ask for a public hearing." So I said, "I want a public hearing," and he didn't acknowledge it. I wouldn't have followed him to the truck if he would have turned and said, "I heard you." I'd have followed him to his vehicle saying, "I want a public hearing."
Today, COOPERRIDER didn't take the witness stand in court, but his lawyer argued that the governor's orders are vague, and the shop should be allowed to keep its indoor space open as a venue, which are currently allowed to have 25 people inside. But the health department argued that the shop is operating as a restaurant and needs to follow the rules for restaurants instead. And while everyone waits for the judge to issue a ruling, the shop's open sign is on. In Lexington, Carolina Buchek, LEX 18 News.